Thank you. Good girl. Use both hands. Okay, thank you. Very good. Oh, is that a red lid? Okay, that goes over here. Okay. Ooh. Okay. Can you get me a plate? Can you get a plate? Oh, thank you. Very good. Yeah. Thank you. Can you get me a big plate? Can you get a big plate? Yay! Okay, thank you. Yay! Use both hands. Okay, thank you.
She won't go around the other side. Go around the other side. Go to the other side, Brianna.
Oh, yeah. Okay, very good. Yay! Can you bring me the bowls? Can you bring me these? Okay, I'll take a cutting board. Thank you.
Put her on the other side.
Just come to the other side. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay, that's a cutting board. Cutting board. That's a plate. Thank you. Thank you. Is that a cup? Is that a cup for juice? Can I have... Oh, okay. You want to hold on the cup? Can I have the cup? Yeah, what was that? What was that? Okay, let's get these.
There's no water in the cup.